Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 24 of my birthday card a day September 2023 series. If you've been following this series, you know that the reason I started this series was because September is my birthday month. My birthday was September 4th, and I'm so excited. My best friend, Crafty Al, she surprised me with the Tailored Expressions Dino-mite card making kit. Oh my goodness, she did not need to do that, but oh my goodness, I absolutely love it, and I'm just so over the moon. So if you haven't seen it, comes in this great mesh bag and has dinos on it. If you also didn't know, I love dinosaurs, so she knows that. Inside, you'll see that I already made some of the strips, but you get some dino washi tape. It says hip hip hooray. You get some enamel dots, and then you get this rubber stamp and stencil combo, which is the first time that I've had a stamp and stencil combo. Oh my goodness, how fun are these? Where have I been that I haven't tried this before? It was super easy to do. I love it. I only made one card, but I seriously could have sat there all day doing this. It was like not quite the magic of embossing powder and not quite the magic of masking, but I loved, you stamp the stamp and then you do the layers. There's 3 stencils. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to play with this more. And then you get some little envelope seals. And then you get some, they're insiders, I think they're called. Yeah, the insiders. This is Birthday Boy. Wishing you amazing, spectacular, wonderful, fun-filled birthday. Happy birthday, dude. Another year older and even more awesome. A kid like you deserves a birthday that's extra fun and super special. Cheers to you, Birthday Boy. Wishing you a day filled with your favorite things. So these are already made to go on the inside of your card. So I thought that was really cool. And then it comes with the mini strips Dino-mite, and those are super fun. And I did not have the die for that, so Crafty Al also included the mini strips flag dies. So you can stamp this and you layer this over it and it cuts it all out, which is what all those strips in the bottom were. I stamped out some of the backgrounds so that the next time I want to play, they're all ready to go. I just have to stencil. Oh my goodness, yeah. I absolutely love this. I have thanked Crafty Al. In the description box below, I do have her affiliate links so that if you wanted to check it out and get anything, you could most certainly do that. I also used this Tailored Expressions Frame and Frame 3 cutting plate. I think it's been 2 years ago. Crafty Al and I went on a crafty road trip, and I actually got this as a free gift in the Tailored Expressions shop because I spent so much money, and I haven't really used it. I don't know why. It's amazing. So I did use that today. And then I did bring in some Gina Marie designs. It's the Tribal Stitched Nested Rectangle die. And here is my card for today. I did use the colors like that they had because I wanted to use those enamel dots. But I can envision this in pinks and purples and all the colors. Seriously, so much fun. Thank you so much, Crafty Al. Yeah, and then I popped up those strips. It's your birthday, have a roaring good time. You can see those dots and those cute fun dinosaurs, and then I did that one on the inside. Cheers to you, Birthday Boy. So there is my card for day 24. Again, thank you, Crafty Al. Everything is linked in the description box below, and I will see you tomorrow for day 25. We're in the home stretch. Thanks so much for stopping by. And go do something for yourself and go get crafty. See you soon. Bye.